Okay, so the phones and the computers are using the same wires and switches. That sounds good. We've created one physical network, so there have to be some cost savings here. And we're also using the same basic protocols. Once again, that sounds like a money saver, as maintenance should be easier, and we'll only need one set of test equipment. But, wait a minute. Is Convergence just designed to save me money in infrastructure and support costs? No, absolutely not. Convergence is about doing things smarter, faster, and better. If the network works smarter, people work smarter, and business should grow. And that's what's attractive about Convergence. In my daily business, I get emails, voicemails, and faxes. It's up to me to determine which I should look at first. What if I decide to listen to and respond to my voicemails first, and then I'll look at email? An email may contain information I needed to answer a voicemail. Then I may need to send another voicemail correcting the first voicemail. Then the recipient of my voicemail may make a decision based on my first message before she gets the second message, and, well, this could go on and on. However, if all my voicemails and all my emails and all my faxes, even all my video messages went to a single source, like my PC screen, I could review all my messages at one time and make appropriate decisions based on a complete set of information. And, on top of that, I could also forward emails to voicemail and vice versa. This type of application convergence is just one example of what convergence means to business, using technology to help you do your job more effectively. Convergence is treating all types of communication as just individual components of a single communication system.